This tutorial shows you how to create transparent PNG images to be used in building your custom product configurator. First of all, the graphic designer should create the mockup of your product. He must make sure that each part of the product is detachable from each other. To illustrate this tutorial, we will use a helmet as our product. After the mockup is ready, let's see how the different options of each part are created. To achieve that, we must first turn off the other parts of the product and turn on the part we are interested in. After that, we will apply our first color. It can also be patterns or fabrics. Then export it in a PNG format by going to the File section and then clicking on Export As. Select the PNG format if it's not selected and click Export. Let's do this one more time so you can get the idea. Here are the different parts of the custom helmet with their respective options. Make sure you save each part's option in a folder to avoid any confusion.